Today's video, the real deal scoop on Virgin Voyages Grown Folks Edition. We're talking what made us swoon and what made us go, okay, maybe not that again. If you're considering this cruise, you definitely want the inside tea before booking. And if you've been on one, you see if you agree with what we're about to say. It might get spicy. Hey, I'm Christy here with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. The vibe is different on Virgin. Virgin's whole brand screams cool, sexy, and Instagrammable. And baby, it delivers. From the moment you step on board, the lighting, the music, the energy, it's like walking into a members-only rooftop party. Except you didn't need a velvet rope or a connection at the door. It was given grown and fabulous from the jump. Talk about the Virgin Terminal in Miami. Seamless, modern, QR code style, minimalist. The way they greet you on board with music and drinks. Wow. The inclusive, body positive, age diverse vibe. It was on point. Now my fave was food heaven. This is where they had me. No buffets. Every restaurant is included and they're good. Our favorite was the extra virgin for pasta, pink agave for the aesthetic and flavor, and gumbo for the turn up. And the wake for that fancy steakhouse vibe. It felt like going out every night, but on the boat. No swiping your card and no nickel and diamond. And if you're like, okay, I'm sold, hold up. We host group cruises, and Virgin is one of our favorites to take people on. You can join one of our grown folk sailings. It's in the description. Plus, if airports stress you out, grab our free airport day checklist while you're there. No more did I forget my charger. Okay, cabin life. We booked the sea terrace, and y'all, that hammock, I didn't even know I needed a hammock until I had one. Now I want one on every balcony. The tech in the room, you have the iPad to control lights, curtains, basically everything in your room. It was a game changer. And that mood lighting, I loved it. But it does take a bit of learning curve, but not too much. But still bring your portable fan if you're hot natured. Now the man moments. That Apple life ain't easy. I'm techie, but even I was like, this app is cute when it works. Had a little trouble booking shows or getting notifications. Good intentions, but it was like a clunky execution. Now, the pool equals oversized bathtub. Look, I'm young at heart, but that pool is not made for grown folks. Who want to float and vibe? Not even great for hanging out, especially on sea days. Now we had some Scarlet Night confusions. It was a whole vibe, but some folks looked lost. Like, is this a party or show or parade? If you go, lean in. Go red. Go wild. Don't be stiff. Now, the entertainment and vibes, Misbehave was wild and hilarious. Dual reality was energy and unexpected. No cruise director, just happiness cast. Felt more like a festival than a Broadway show. If you're used to the mega cruise ship production, this is a whole new flavor. But we like that. It was raw, real, and didn't take itself too seriously. Now, who's this perfect for? I say couples 30 to 70 who want upscale, sexy, fun. First timers who want ease without feeling overwhelmed. Repeat cruisers who want something fresh, bold, and not traditional. If you're more into good food, curated vibes, and flex style schedules, this is your cruise. But if you need Broadway shows, water slides, or kid zones, this ain't your ship. Want to join us on Virgin Sailings? Our grown folks hosted trips are where the magic happens. Click below to see the upcoming dates or get on our list. And don't forget the airport day checklist because chaos at TSA is not the vibe we're bringing on this vacation. Now let's chat if you sailed virgin. Did you agree with our pros and cons? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know. And if you haven't cruised yet, what you waiting for? Let us help you find the right vibe. And don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this with your grown folks group chat.